y'all, welcome back to my channel. We are back for another makeup tutorial. Are y'all ready for this? I've never done nothing like this before on my channel or in person, and it's a challenge, so yeah. Welcome back to missarielbella TV. And one of my friends, she actually sent me this picture. Hello, I know you're watching this. Hey girl. She sent me this picture like a while ago, maybe like a week or two ago, maybe more like 2 weeks. I do apologize. But so she asked me to recreate this look. I don't know if y'all can see it, but let me zoom in so y'all can kind of see what it looks like. It is like watermelon eyes with a green and white liner, green underneath. Ooh. And it's like red, like a watermelon. So we're focused. So yeah, I'm going to recreate this look on my channel for you guys, like a fun little, you know, summertime beat or whatever, something really creative. So I'm gonna put my twist on this makeup look. So about to wing it right here on camera with y'all. Y'all want to see how I create this look.
So I'm going to start off with using the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden, and I'm going to take a Real Technique brush to buff that all over my eye. I wanted to use a white background on my eyeshadow so they can really pop and stand out. And of course I'm going to take some translucent powder to set that primer on my eyes so nothing can move and stay in place. Then I'm going to go into the Box of Crayons palette. I'm going to take Tan and place that as my transition shade. It's going to be underneath my brow bone going down to my crease. I'm going to really buff this color out, and I'm using a Morphe blending brush. Next, I'm going to take the red color out of the Box of Crayons palette and place it all over my mobile lid. That is a BH Cosmetics brush that I'm using. I'm going to go back and forth and really build that color up. I'm going to pat this color all over. All the eyeshadows I am using in this palette are matte, so I'm just going back and forth into that red and bringing it higher and higher because I want you to be able to see it with my eyes open and closed. So that's why I brought it up higher.
Saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that
and then I'm just going to go in with a blending brush. Added a little bit of that red to the blending brush to really buff out the red all over my eyelid.
They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million.
Okay, so then I was creating the green liner. So I didn't have a green liquid liner, so I start off with black. I definitely would recommend using a white first, so your green could be really bold. But I was just trying this for the first time to create a different liner. So I used the black liner first, and this is by MAC. This is Blacktrack. And then I went in with a Wet n Wild angled brush and took some of the Fenty concealer and placed it over the black line. So you can just use a white liner. If you don't have a white liner, you could do what I'm doing. But yeah, I wasn't sure how to create the liner, so I had to just, you know, wing it. Then I took the green out of the Box of Crayons palette and placed it over that concealer. And you could really tell it was green after I finished everything, but yeah, just trying around because I was like, oh my gosh, how do I make this green liner? So it all worked out perfectly fine. Next, for the white liner, this is by the Box of Crayons. It's the white out eyeliner, and I really like this liner. It's really nice. So I went right on top of that liner, on top of the green liner that I created, and placed the white. And then I took a NYX Silver Glitter liner to place it right on top of the white, just to give it more definition and it can really stand out more. Then to create the dots, I took the black eyeliner by I was gonna say Colourpop. Oh my gosh, the crayon case. Oh my goodness. And the dots weren't coming out exactly the way I wanted to with this point. I was trying to like make them like really kind of bigger than that. They weren't really circles. It was kind of like splats. And I was like, I think I want more circles. So I went in with Blacktrack by MAC to just define the circles on my eyelid. These do not have to be perfect. You know, just want to make them sparsely all over your eye. So I just went in and just did random little dots all over my eyes. But the Blacktrack definitely was better.
I respected saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things.
It's called Brush Black. I don't know why I was saying Blacktrack, but Brush Black by MAC.
Have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million. For acting services.
Next, I'm going to take the So Chanel lashes and So Jordan. These are mink lashes. I've had these lashes for over a year, y'all. You can wear them over 25 times, and they're freaking bomb. I'm going to go ahead and do my face routine. Y'all seen this before, so we're just going to zoom past this part. Taking my foundation. I love that foundation brush. And that is the Studio Fix Foundation by MAC. Gonna blend out our concealer. The lovely faces we make when we're putting on concealer. And that is a Real Technique sponge that I'm using. Then I'm just going to go in and set everything with a translucent powder. This is the baking method. Y'all seen me do this before. Then we're going to go in and definitely contour and chisel out those cheekbones. I love, this is the cream contour by Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's my absolute favorite. And we're sweeping away the extra powder with our Studio Fix NC47 powder. Leaving underneath our eyes, of course, because we're going to add some shadows there. And then I took this is by NYX, I took the Milk Jumbo Pencil with an angle brush to place the white in my waterline. And that's what it looks like right there. Then I took the green eyeshadow from the Box of Crayons palette. Placed it underneath my lash line.
That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize...
And then I just went in and swept away the extra translucent powder that was underneath my eyes. You see everything just blends so seamlessly together.
Saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is, and
going in and setting my contour with a powder. This is the MAC contour powder set. And then adding some blush by Colourpop called Construct onto my cheekbones.
For acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make.
And for highlight, this is Moon Glow by Bobbi Brown. So pretty. And that's the same MAC brush. That brush is discontinued. I just flipped it on the other side. We're going to take Rice Paper by MAC and add that with the Brow Bone Highlight with an e.l.f. brush. And then to line my lips, I know you're probably tired of seeing Nude on my channel, but of course, this is Chestnut by MAC. And the girl in the picture had a nude lip, so you know I had to grab it. So this is Chestnut by MAC. And for the lipstick, I'm going to use Creamy Nude by Clinique. You'll see that in the next clip coming up. I was just filling in my lips, so I wanted to be really ombre. And there's Creamy Nude. Mine is so busted and beat up, y'all. Oh my gosh. And for gloss, I went in with Neat Freak by Colourpop, just in the middle. And this completes the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. And I'm just putting a little mascara before we end this video. This is by MAC. Yes. I really like how this look came out. It's very fun. I got so many compliments when I wore this eye makeup. Alright, so we are done, y'all. Of course, I gotta show y'all the final look all together. Thank y'all for watching. Until next time, bye.